For some people, the check engine light means one thing: this is going to be expensive. Panic sets in, Google gets opened, worst case scenarios appear. But here's the reality: not all check engine lights are urgent. Many aren't expensive at all. The myth says any check engine light means serious, immediate, wallet-emptying repairs. And that belief survives because people don't understand what the light actually represents. It's not a verdict, it's a request for investigation. OBD2 faults exist on a spectrum. On one end, loose connectors, sensor signals slightly out of range, temporary emissions inefficiencies, and then on the other, catalyst damage, misfires that can destroy engines, or fuel or ignition faults that affect safety. Same light, completely different consequences. This is where terminology matters. Pending or soft codes, detected once, conditions weren't met long enough to confirm the fault. These can be intermittent, environment-related, or self-correcting. Many pending codes disappear on their own. The next are confirmed or hard codes. These are triggered repeatedly under the same conditions. The ECU is now confident that there's a real issue. That's when the light stays on and diagnostics matter. Intermittent doesn't mean imaginary. A code that comes and goes isn't lying to you. It's telling you the fault exists, but only under specific conditions. Maybe temperature and load, speed of vibration, and all of these matter. Ignoring intermittent fault is how minor problems become major ones. Here's the most important thing to understand. A fault code is not a diagnosis. A fault code tells you what the ECU noticed, not what's broken. For example, the oxygen sensor code, that doesn't automatically mean that the sensor is dead. It could be exhaust leaks, fuel mixture issues, wiring resistance, or other upstream failures. The code points to the symptom, not the root cause. Proper diagnostics look at freeze frame data, operating conditions, related codes, system behavior over time. Clearing a code without understanding the context is like deleting a warning message without reading it. When the check engine light comes on, scan it, identify whether the code is pending or confirmed, and look at the conditions, then decide the urgency. Most importantly, don't assume the worst. The check engine light isn't a financial death sentence, it's a conversation starter. And like all good diagnostics, the answer depends on the context.